Hello guys, this is ProMaster. Now today, I will make a tutorial. Yes, it's so long that I not made the tutorial. Yeah, it's very long that day. The tutorial is play. Just wait. We will pause the video right over here. Okay, now I'm here. Now this is the materials. You need a redstone torch. Oh no, you don't need a redstone torch. You need a white concrete, repeater, redstone dust, um, comparators, hoppers, dropper, lava, and a barrel. Yes, this tutorial is how to make a trash can. Yes, how to make a trash can. If you want a very super fast trash can, and you can do that, but don't use a barrel. Okay. Now the first step is do this, that, 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 and remove that, and that, and we will place a lava right over there. And then we need the dropper. We will remove that, and we will do this. There. The dropper should face towards to the lava. Yes, it needs to face to the lava, and then remove the dropper right over there. That there, yeah. And then we need the hopper. There, we need the hopper. And we need the barrel. There, it should look like that. Yes. Now we should do is this. We need a block of choice and do this, that. We need the redstone comparator. And do that. You need the redstone comparator there and the redstone repeater there. Now this next is this. You need to do this, okay? Now, that should work. Yes, you need to do that. Okay? My tutorial is working in any version, okay? Trust me. If it not works, comment down below if it not works, okay? I'm a good redstoneist, yes. If there's something problem with your redstone, just ask me, okay? And I will fix it. And we will continue this. And we need to do this. That, just do that. And we need a repeater. There you go. Because this is Java edition, I will do this. Yeah, there. Yeah, because if in Pocket edition, this redstone dust will go like this. Yeah. But in Java edition, what will happen is it will not go to the dropper. It will just go straight. So we will use a redstone repeater so that it will face through the dropper, and then do this, that. Oh wait, we need to do this. We need the redstone comparator again. You need to do that, this, and this. Do that and make it put a light right over there. Make it on. Yes. Do that, and that. Yes. You will do that. And then we need is a blocks. Yeah. And we need to do that. that. Now we are done. And let's see. Boom. Now that should happen. Yeah. Now you will see there's nothing in it because it burns into the lava. Yes, now that's how to make a trash can in Minecraft. It's very simple, right? Right? It's very simple. It's just that. Do you think redstone is hard? No, it's not. It's very easy for me, but in the other players, they think it's hard. But if you practice, you will be good at it. And look at this redstone that I made. This. Look at this. I made this redstone. You can just make this on Java Edition because Pocket Edition cannot make two-way moving machine. Yeah, I know. I will post a video what is the difference of Pocket Edition and Java Edition so that if you watch a Java Edition tutorial, you will not watch it. But in mine, I am making a Pocket Edition redstone that works in Java Edition too. All of my redstone works in any version. Yes. But that's it for today, guys. Yeah. I will make a tutorial how to make this. Okay? But that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked my tutorial video. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a like and comment down below what tutorial should I make next. Huge piston door, 10 by 10 piston door, or any piston door, yeah. Or a moving machine, yes. Walking robot with a house, yes. I forgot, yeah. If you want to see me make some more tutorials like this, just leave a like and subscribe and click that bell to all notifications and follow my Facebook page. It's linked down in the description, yes. But that's it for today, guys. I hope you like my tutorial. This is ProMaster, and I'm out. See you later, guys.